Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno6 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google option of Google Assistant. So the first step, just go to the Google application and here on the down right corner tap on More icon. Now go to Settings and right here you'll see the Google Assistant, tap on that and just there click on Voice Match. And you see that right here the OK Google option is enabled. To turn it off, just tap one time on the switcher and right there you see that this option just turned off at the moment. So if you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.